morning. Welcome to the vlog again. I really wanted to do like a what I eat in a day video, but then I started just like forgetting to shoot like from morning to night. So I kind of compiled a bunch of different recipes, like things that we've been really loving eating during the week, and just kind of thought I'd just compile like a little random vlog of little bits and bites. I'm not going to be showing like what we ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day of the week, but these are just some of the recipes, just things that we like as go-tos, or things that we've been really enjoying or trying something new. So I love watching these because I love getting ideas, and I love just kind of creating a really fun routine and getting excited about my recipes. So either like watching YouTube videos, going on Pinterest, looking up different things, just to like mix it up and have some variety in our week or in our day. And I've been trying a bunch of new stuff. If you guys followed me on Instagram stories, especially when everything kind of hit in like March and April, I was baking a ton. I learned how to make cinnamon bun rolls, and like a lot of different fun stuff. But these are just some of the recipes and things that we really enjoy. So I am going to get up and show you guys a really easy like overnight oats little breakfast recipe right now. This one is so delicious. It almost feels like you're eating a dessert. So I will include that next in the clip, and then just I'm gonna be popping in some fun like just things that we do during the week. I'll try to like film as much as possible, but it's mainly gonna be food in this vlog, but just gonna show you guys a little bit of like day in the life stuff in between, just to kind of like break it up so it's not just all like my camera facing my kitchen table, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I'm actually making this for tomorrow's breakfast, but I figured I'll show you because I'm making it the day before. So these are just like some overnight oats, and I'm making this with like some chocolate chips, some banana, peanut butter. It's called the Funky Monkey Overnight Oats. I just found it on Pinterest. So in here I've got half a cup of oat milk, and then I just put some maple syrup, a little bit of the semi-sweet chocolate chip. I love these ones from Longo's. They come in like this kind of a container, and they're just so tiny and small and so yummy. I'm just gonna snack on it. So I'm gonna mix this up, chop up some banana, peanut butter, and then I'm gonna pop it in a mason jar that I got. I just get these like off Amazon. I love them for drinks, but they're also great for overnight oats. And you can like even eat it out of this, so you can just like hold it, and it's really nice. And then it also comes with a lid, so it can go right in the fridge. So I'm gonna mix this up, and I should be able to fit everything into one. Otherwise, I'm gonna split it in two for Neil and I. So this is what we do on grocery day. We just give our fruits and veggies a little wash. I've got like this little container of the Thieves fruit and veggie soak. My sister has like a big container, and then she gave me a little jar of it. So I just put a little spoon in a little water bowl, and then I just give them a little bath, just a little bit of soap of the actual fruit and veggie soak, and then I just drain it, and then I let everything just completely dry before I put it in the fridge and in containers. And I also find that my berries last so much longer like this. They look so yummy. Yum, 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 yum. All right, so we are outside right now, not in my kitchen, but part of like little day in the life or week in the life videos, I wanted to kind of show you guys and take you guys with me on a few things that I go and do during the week for work in between the food snippets. So right now we are going to shoot a little campaign out here. in this little park, and I'm out of breath because I just was like packing up all of our stuff, putting it in the trunk. We have like a bike, we're gonna do like a whole like picnic setup and that kind of thing, and it's gonna be really, really cute, and it's like a perfect day. Like there's not, well, I'll show you the clouds actually. See these kind of clouds? It looks like it's gonna rain. It's not raining, and it's perfect because it's not too sunny, it's not too windy, it's not too hot, even though I feel hot just because I was like carrying things. So it's like one of those perfect overcast days, but it's bright enough to shoot. So I'm really excited to do that little campaign, and then we're gonna go back home and have a little lunch, but I'll insert a few little sneak peeks from our shoot. All right, Neil's picking me up on the side of the road here now. Gonna get in the car and we're gonna go back home. All right, so we're craving a little something cold, just a little pick-me-up, and I recently purchased this cha-cha chai tea from Cup of Tea. It's a local company, but they do ship to the rest of Canada and the US, and so this has organic black tea, organic ginger, organic cinnamon, organic green cardamom. It's 100% organic and natural. The girl who has created this company is such an inspiration. So I highly recommend you go check her out. And I just love supporting individuals that have such a strong story, and are taking their lemons and making lemonade. So today though, we are gonna make some iced chai lattes, and I've got this barista oat milk right here. I love Earth's Own oat milk, and this is the barista edition. One of my friends that I met through Instagram, she recommended both of these, so I am super excited. Thank you, Ainsley. Shout out to her. So I am going to mix this together, pour it over a little ice. We've got the double wall mugs. I will link them down below. These are my favorite. Neil and I love these for hot drinks, cold drinks. These are like nice and tall, so you kind of, they're perfect for like iced drinks. And then I have these glass straws that I will link as well. So let's get started and make some chai lattes. Oh my goodness, it's so fragrant just from just pouring it over the hot water. So I'm gonna, okay, so I even got this little infuser from Cup of Tea, and I love that it has a lid because I feel like it really is gonna like lock it in there. So I'm just gonna let this steep for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll let it cool a little, and then we're gonna add our ice and our oat milk. Okay, so you know when you go to Starbucks, they always have like those syrups and stuff like that. Well, that's what makes the drinks taste really good. So friend had said, use maple syrup. Brilliant, right? And it's so much healthier for you. There's lots of minerals in maple syrup. So I'm a Canadian girl, I love maple syrup. I just get like the Costco Kirkland maple syrup. It's 100% pure, grade A. You want to make sure your maple syrup is grade A. Some syrups, they're not even maple syrup. So make sure it's maple syrup and it's 100% pure, grade A, and it's just got a really nice rich taste. And this one I believe is organic, so even better. I'm gonna add that as a sweetener to our chai latte. Okay, so it's done steeping, as you can see. So I'm gonna just let it cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add it to the cups. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the sweetener. I forgot to add in the maple syrup first, but that's okay. We're gonna stir it all up anyways. Okay, and then the last step is just add some ice and stir it up and mix it up really good. Okay, and there you have it, a nice little chai latte. All right, so for today's lunch, I made Neil and I a little like replica of the By Chloe salad. By Chloe is a restaurant in New York, LA. They have one in Toronto, and it's one of my favorites, their taco salad. I didn't do the vegan chorizo. Like you can add like ground beef to this, but basically it's romaine lettuce and quinoa, beans, little cherry tomatoes, avocado, corn. I love to do a little lime. You're supposed to do red onion, but again, I'm just kind of working with what I have in my fridge. Love the creamy avocado. What I like to do is either do like veganese and some agave mixed together, and then I'm gonna like do the little salad dressing with just those two, put a little salt, pepper, and enjoy. It's so easy, so filling. It's got a lot of nice healthy fats and protein, and it really keeps us nice and full, and it's such a nice light summer dish. So made one for Neil and I. Oh, and I just have like these wontons that I got from the grocery store. I couldn't find the little tortilla that has like more of like the taco seasoning one. So you can just like crunch up like any kind of chips just to kind of give it a little crunch. And I just love it. So again, I just have a little bit of agave syrup, and I'm just gonna glaze that over, and then I'm gonna add the veganese. It's so good. This is a really easy dinner you can do. My sister had actually told me to do this. So you just take a little salmon and you just put pesto right on the top. That's it. Bake it 20 minutes and it is so delicious. This is the pesto that I get. It's from Costco. Basil pesto. So delicious, so yummy. All those beautiful nice herbs, and it's just like a really nice quick dinner. I like to bake a little asparagus on the side, just in between here, a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. Really nice and easy din din. Okay, morning. I realized I never even shared how the salmon looked when we took it out from dinner. I think we were just so hungry. I totally forgot to vlog, but it was so delicious. I hope you guys try that out with the pesto. Love that. It was so yummy. So sorry about not sharing how it came out in the oven, but I am just up now this morning doing a little work on my laptop. We have to go shoot something today, so I've got my makeup on, but I just need to get some emails done, some contracts signed and sent off, that kind of thing. So I am going to do that, and then we will chat when we are on the shoot location and see what we're going to be eating today. What's up? Look at this one little ear standing up. This paw is like, Mom, it's time to go for a walk. I've got my compression leggings on here, or like leg warmers, but they're good if you're working at your desk all day. I just noticed that like all my blood was like flowing to my feet, and then it's just not good for your circulation. So I'm wearing these, but this is how she convinces me that we need to go for a walk. Do we need to go for a walk? You need to go? We should go. We gonna go? Okay, so we have reached that time of the day or the week when the kitchen is just a little bit crazy and we need to do a little cleanup. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse here of me cleaning up some mess. So I try my best for it not to get to this level, but Neil and I were just like, there was just a lot going on. So we were like, you know what? We're gonna give ourselves grace that it got a little messy and crazy and out of hand, but now we really gotta get it together. So he is editing something in the other room, so I'm gonna take him from the team and I'm gonna get this kitchen clean. But what I really like to do is during the day, I like to just load the dishwasher, and then I put it on at night. Then in the morning, I unload my dishwasher, and then it's nice and just like, I don't have to do like, you can like hand wash a few things, but it's great because if you're just loading it, if it's empty in the morning, then you can load any like new dishes from lunch, breakfast, dinner, that kind of thing, and then it washes overnight. Next morning you wake up, you put it away. It just takes like 10 minutes. It's nothing too crazy. I would just like leave things, you know, when you just get lazy to put things out of the dishwasher. I know that you had those days too. So I find that this is like putting me on a better routine of just like loading it at night, let the dishwasher run, and then in the morning I unload it, and you know, you could just listen to a podcast or watch a YouTube video or that kind of thing, and the time will just go by so fast. But we really let the kitchen get out of hand, and I just unloaded it, and it's the afternoon. So we need to make the space pretty so that we can make some dinner tonight, and it's not very inspiring to cook in your kitchen if your kitchen is a mess. So we need to get that cleaned up. I'm gonna load it up, and that way it can run overnight and just do the big sweep cleanup. So I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna get it done. Much better. Okay, cleaned up this whole kitchen. Now let's make some dinner. Okay, this is just a real, like, no Instagram fancy setup here. This is a real night at our house over here where we're just super tired, so we just make some tacos. This is the Tex-Mex cheese that we get from Costco. Neil makes the best taco beef. Got a little guac. We just use whatever we have. We didn't have chips, so we're doing these little beetroot crackers. We need to get some nachos. We didn't have lettuce. We didn't have a few things, but we're making it work and it's gonna taste really good. So that's one of our dinners. This is the pro right here. He knows how to make a taco.
Got some guacamole on the bottom. Got some beef. Gonna add some sauce.
So
some
yummy.
Cheese.
Yummy.
And wrap it up.
All right, you're the pro taco wrapper. You're gonna swaddle the baby.
Swaddle the baby. Just turn it. Bam. Just like that. We're done.
Amazing. All right, I am winding down in bed and I'm just got like really low lighting. So if it's like bad lighting on the video right now, it's because I just like to like wind down at night, kind of put more like softer lighting. It's still pretty bright out until like 9 o'clock, but I'm like a grandma and I love to be in bed by like sometimes 7 or 8. Even just unwinding. I don't like sleep at like 8 o'clock, but I like to just start the process of unwinding. So what I'm doing is I'm having some chamomile tea, and I have to show you guys this mug. It's heart-shaped on the inside. So cute. I absolutely love it. I got these on Amazon and they even look really cute with coffee in them, but they're heart-shaped on the inside. They're double wall so your hands won't burn when you're holding a really hot cup of tea at night. I really like to like kind of just not be on my phone, shut off the screens, and kind of unwind at night. Otherwise I'm like buzzy and I just can't get to sleep. So but sometimes I do watch a little show before bed or something like that, and if I do, I pop on these little blue light glasses, and they're great because they just help your eyes just not strain looking at the screens. So I really love popping these on, and I can link some similar ones down below. But that's it for me in this vlog. We filmed so many like different little recipes and that kind of stuff, but it was going to be like an hour long if I included them all. So I'm going to like just chop it up and include those more in next week's What I Eat in a Week. So I'll be back with more. My mouth just made a little popping bubble sound. So I will be back with another What I Eat in a Week. Let me know if you guys liked it. I have all the recipes and everything that I made here in the description box down below. I'll put the link to my blog post there. You guys can catch me there. And that is it. I'm gonna go and just unwind and get to bed. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.